Okay, well, we didn't get a chance to go through our wash at the Heritage Underground Mine, so we're going to bring it home and we're going to go through it and we'll show you what it's all about. Yeah, how you going? Hey, we're back from holidays now. We brought back some bags of wash from the Heritage Underground Mine. Yeah, just something to do. We enjoy doing it. So we're sitting here on a Sunday afternoon out the back patio, just going to go through the couple of bags of wash. This is one bag and we've got a couple more there. Just something to do. Yeah, and we'll show you what we end up with. So hey, fingers crossed, you never know. Okay, so wait, we can't find our sieve, so we got one out of the pantry. Okay, so it'll do. That's all you need. Just tip a little bit in here. Not too much. Just shake a bit of excess dirt off.
You can see where the dogs chewed the buckets.
Yeah. And all the dust is gone. I can see a few little specimens there straight away. Put in the bucket. In the wash. Okay, looks a bit promising. Here we go. Alright.
Bit of an overcast day. Should we turn the light on?
Yeah, I might go and grab that torch, but
No one there?
yeah, there's one.
Hold it up to the camera.
Yeah, a bit shiny.
Get the torch.
Yeah. Alright. A little bit of colour.
I don't think that's on.
Yeah, it is. Some colour.
I don't think they washed them enough there.
No, probably didn't.
One.
I'm not sure.
Probably not the best day for it because it's so overcast today. It's probably because that was the top of the bag. I'd say there'd be more on the bottom, so we'll do another load, eh?
Ah, there you go. Look at this, the end of the bag. We didn't get too much out of this, but hey, it's like a little show bag with a little prize at the bottom.
Can I have a look? A little Sapphire, is it a blue one?
I think so.
Aw, pretty.
Yeah, how you going? Hey, I've just got told an idea where to clean the gems is you use a bit of denture tablets. Okay, well, apparently this stuff Okay, so I'm doing it here in the afternoon. See how we go. Okay, and this is the stuff that's from Bobby Dazzler. Okay, we'll give that a go. So we'll see what it looks like after we go. This is from the Heritage.
We got this as a little
token.
Yeah.
Hey, looks like Eno's, doesn't it?
Don't drink it, babe.
No. No, I had plenty yesterday. Okay, and these are from Pat's.
Pat's Gems.
Pat's Gems, yeah, that's right.
And these were the ones we were told to get cut from Pat's Gems, so we're keeping them separate.
Yep.
Maybe we could pour half of that in there. Or you want to do the whole one?
Yeah, I'll do the whole one. Yeah, I'm interested to see how they all turn out.
Can you say, they said to leave it overnight?
Oh, they did say leave it overnight. Okay, so apparently I'm going to leave this overnight. So we'll see how they turn out tomorrow. Okay, see if they're nice and sparkling and yeah, oh, you beauty. Okay, thanks a lot. So I'm going to start with the Bobby Dazzler gems that we picked up. So get them out of this dirty water, put them in a bit of warm water.
It's a pretty blue one.
Yeah.
Get that little pretty blue one.
Okay. Okay. Just wash the scum off them.
Bubbles.
I don't know if this will do any good, but
They do look
they do look a fair bit cleaner. So let's put them into here. Give you a look, see what they look like.
There's a yellow one.
You can't really see much there, but you see against the white. Yeah, pretty little blue.
Yeah.
Pretty blue and the green.
Oh, the green one.
Yeah. So no. Yeah, happy with that. That's a.
So we might dry those off, babe, and then we'll get a shot on the torch.
Yeah. So there we go. That's with that. Yeah, so I'm going to give the Heritage Underground Mine their little gems a go. Being in the solution again. Yeah. Just giving them a bit of a clean around the warm hot water. They've got big chunky fingers, not real good for little tiny stones.
Just means you're a big strong man, babe.
Oh gee, thanks.
Little chicken, I help you. Here you go. Good job.
Okay, I'll give that a go. Okay, put it in here. Yeah, they're looking much cleaner.
Any colours in there? Colours aren't as vivid, are they?
Yeah, no, there's not a great deal of colour, but hey.
So we'll look on the torch now?
Yep. As you can see, just putting them under the light, the torch light. Yeah, gee, the colours really start to stand out now. So no, look at that pretty blue and greens.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Orange.
Don't know what that is, but yeah. Yeah, this one's got a bit of blue and green.
Oh, nice. A Parti one, hey?
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah, good job. Yeah, so I've done the whole process. Now I'm on to the Pat's Gems ones that we've got. There's going to be a colour amongst this. It's going to be for my wedding ring for next year. Heading off to Vegas to marry my little princess.
Yeah, so these were all, we were told these were all worthy of getting cut.
Yeah, so hey, we'll give it a go. I'll actually give it a bit more of a clean.
Like a professional, babe.
I haven't got a clue what I'm doing, but hey, it gives us an interest. Yeah, can't wait to go away next time.
Where are we going to head next time?
Oh, I think we're just going to go to O'Brien's Creek. Weather pending, obviously.
And they got moonstones there, hey?
Yeah, moonstone, so we'll give that a go. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, they just look like any old rocks you'd see at the side of the road, but you put them under the torchlight and
Shazam.
yeah, there you go.
See the
Nice
green.
little greens.
A little bit of blue in there too.
Yeah,
There's one.
there's one here.
Oh, isn't that blue pretty?
Yeah. There you go. So, hey, bit of a wedding ring. I don't know which one. Maybe the yeah. I don't know.
See what the jeweller says.
Yeah, see what the jeweller says.
Faceter.
Yeah. Okay. So there you go. Okay, these are the ones from Pat's Gems when we first got to Rubyvale. And swirl around.
There's some little ones in there, hey?
Yeah, very little.
Oh, there's a pretty blue one.
Okay, I might put them straight onto the torch as there's some little fine ones here. So. There we go. Yeah, there's some pretty colours there.
And the black ones are, what are they called again?
No, no black ones.
In Australia we call them Onyx, but in US they call them, I'll put it in there, whatever it is. Take the big ones out so we can see the colour.
Yep. I think the torch is gone flat.
Oh, bugger.
Yeah. So there you go. That was all the gems that we found on our Rubyvale adventure. That was excellent. Okay, thanks a lot.